Building an email list is essential for any business aiming to extend its reach and maintain engagement with its customer base. An effectively managed list allows for personalized communication, fostering stronger connections and increasing conversion rates. Automation tools significantly enhance efficiency by simplifying the gathering, sorting, and analyzing of subscriber information. With automation, businesses can trigger targeted messages based on user behavior, ensuring timely and relevant communication. This improves overall marketing efforts, driving engagement and conversion without requiring constant manual oversight, thus maximizing both resources and results. Mailchimp, HubSpot, and ActiveCampaign stand as leading figures in the automation tool arena, each offering unique features tailored to enhance email list management. Mailchimp excels with its user-friendly interface and diverse template options, making it ideal for SMEs embarking on email marketing. HubSpot serves a dual function, combining CRM and marketing automation to deliver seamless customer journey mapping and interaction tracking. ActiveCampaign, known for advanced automation capabilities, allows for sophisticated campaign segmentation and conditional content, catering to dynamic marketing strategies that respond to user behaviors and preferences. CRM systems are pivotal in constructing and nurturing a robust email list, serving as the backbone for detailed customer data management. When integrated with email marketing automation tools, CRM enhances the effectiveness of lead management and fosters stronger customer relationships. This integration ensures that every communication sent to a customer is tailored and informed by their interaction history, preferences, and activity, which not only improves engagement, but also increases the likelihood of conversion. By leveraging the combined power of CRM and automation tools, businesses can deliver more personalized, timely, and effective communications. Landing pages and sign-up forms are integral elements in effective list-building strategies, serving as the initial touch-points that convert visitors into subscribers. Well-designed landing pages provide clear, compelling value propositions and call-to-action statements that effectively capture visitor interest. Sign-up forms must be strategically placed and crafted to minimize user friction, enhancing subscription rates. The use of automation tools here optimizes these elements by integrating real-time data analytics for continuous improvement and personalization, ensuring that they remain effective in engaging potential customers and growing email lists. Effectively analyzing the impact of email campaigns is crucial for refining future marketing strategies. By utilizing analytics from automation tools, marketers can gain insights into user behavior, engagement levels, and campaign performance. Importantly, A/B testing plays a pivotal role in this analytical process. It allows marketers to compare different versions of emails to determine which elements drive better results, be it subject lines, images, or call-to-action placements. Through careful analysis and application of these insights, businesses can continuously enhance their marketing approaches, ensuring they remain aligned with customer preferences and behaviors, thus maximizing ROI.